Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2058 for the 2020 Hit Parade Limited Edition NFL Draft exclusive box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Monday, May 11th, and time's about to flip over, so let's try that again. Monday, May 11th, 2020. It's 11:20 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:20 p.m. Central Time, and 8:20 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Eagle Eye Antiques, 10 spots, Dave, 2 spots, Ben with 9, Laddie Cards, 2, Nichols, 3, E-Rock, 2, Phil, 3, Bombers, 1. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Antiques on top, Bombers bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Laddie Cards on top, Phil on the bottom. Laddie Cards, you have the Cardinals, Antiques Falcons, E-Rock Ravens, Phil Bills, Antiques Panthers, E-Rock Bears, Ben Bengals, Antiques Browns, Cowboys, Ben Broncos, Dave with the Lions, Ben Packers, Texans, Colts, Nichols Jaguars, Dave Chiefs, Ben Raiders, Bombers Chargers, Laddie Cards Rams, Nichols Dolphins, Ben Vikings, Antiques Patriots Saints, Ben Giants Jets, Phil Eagles, Nichols Steelers, Antiques 49ers, Seahawks, Buccaneers, Titans, and Phil with the Washington Redskins. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Either we'll have a team on the card already for us, or we'll see who they were drafted by. Okay, let's see who we have. I see a rookie patch jersey auto of Dak Prescott and the Dallas Cowboys. 173 out of 299 rookie jersey auto Dak Prescott limited. Worn material. So, rookie Dak Prescott, Dallas Cowboys. Very nice. Let's see who has Dallas. And the Dallas Cowboys is going to Eagle Eye Antiques. Congrats, Eagle Eye Antiques. On the 2020 Hit Parade Limited Edition NFL Draft exclusive Dak Prescott rookie auto. And that was break 2058. We want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.